Things I got excited for as I stay at work. Mom, I bought some fake lashes, but I can't seem to put them on. I was excited to get them, but I just don't understand how you guys are putting these on. How are you putting them on? I've tried bending them. I just stick it down there, put it on, fall it off. Now it's my breast hair. Someone please put them on for me. I wish I was cool. Look like that one baby doll on Toy Story. The Misfit Toys. They're like, grrr, oh, a broken eyelid.